In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Helium 10 extension for product research. Now, the first thing you're going to have to do, you're going to have to install the Helium 10 Chrome extension. If you haven't done that yet, I also have a video showing you on how to install it, so make sure you watch that first. And then after you do it, you want to sign into your account, and then you want to go to Amazon.com because the extension can, of course, be used on Amazon itself. So you want to go ahead, open up Amazon, and you'll be able to see that down here, there is this little button, and whenever you hover over it, it's going to open up this little dashboard from Helium 10. So to actually use this extension for product research, you have to go here where it says enter a keyword or an ASIN. So if you have an ASIN of a product, just paste it in here, or you can go ahead and just enter in a keyword to basically research product. So first things first, the most important thing is to actually put in the correct marketplace, so your region essentially. For me, it's going to be Amazon.com. And then you have to enter the keyword or ASIN, as I said. So I'm going to go ahead and type in boots, for example. And then you want to click on Run X-ray. What this is going to do is it's going to open up a separate tab over here where it's going to basically do product research for you. Now, this may look familiar for now, but as you can see, it's now opening up the X-ray. And then it's going to basically put this pop-up. It's going to fetch product data. It's going to tell you the search volumes, total revenues, average revenues, etc. And you can even go ahead, see related keywords, and even find suppliers on Alibaba, okay, which is amazing. So here you can go ahead, research different products. You'll be able to see a bunch of different things over here on the list. And then whenever you find something, of course, hopefully you've discovered your next product. So this is how you use the X-ray feature on the Helium 10 extension. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.